this is collard greens. I'm just going to briefly talk about collard greens. This is very, very healthy and nutritious for you. So it's in the kale and mustard green family. And so the way you start off with cutting it is after you've rinsed it, so generally just sort of remove the tip of it, and then you slowly start making some nice clean cuts. And after you've finished chopping it up, you would then take a pot, well, you'd rinse it first, and then you would take a pot with some oil in it, add the onions, fry the onions, add some tomatoes, and then add just a little bit of salt. And then after you've added the salt, you would go ahead and you would add your greens, and then just go ahead and let it simmer until it's ready. You can eat it with mishima, you can eat it with rice, or you can just eat it all by itself. And so once again, this is collard greens, but in some places, we have, in Zambia for example, we have repu, and this is in the same family as kale or mustard greens, and it's all very healthy for you. And this is how you slice it, and it's good to go. Bon appetit!